Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make the triangle knot. Let's get started. We will start by taking the side on the left and we're going to send it behind our right rope so that we have a loop up top. Then we're going to take it and kind of snake it around and behind so that we have another loop. So we're kind of making this backwards S. Then we're going to take the rope here that's on the right. It hangs straight down in front of our left rope. We're just going to take it and curl it behind and send it through the top loop. Okay, so it just curled around and came through the top loop that's on the left. Then with that same rope, we're going to send it over and through the loop here on the right, so the bottom loop. And then we're just going to gently pull and tighten to remove all the slack. And you'll notice that it starts to form what looks like a triangle. And so as you can see, mine is pretty far down from my dowel rod, so if you need to adjust the placement, you just pull on the ropes to pull it out, and you just kind of follow it along and then tighten it back up. Just like that. So once again, what we're going to do is our right string is going to hang straight down, and we're going to take the side on the left and it goes behind to form a loop, and I like to pinch it right where it connects just to hold my place while I take the other side and twist it around so that now I have two loops that are well defined, one up above on the left and one down below on the right. So again, we're kind of forming that backwards S. And then what I do is I take the rope hanging straight down here on the right, and I just twist it behind everything so that it can come up and through that top loop. Okay? And then what I do is I'm going to send it through the loop here. So it just kind of comes and it goes through the loop. And I pull everything to tighten. So you can see I'm forming that triangle shape, but also you can tell that it is not placed correctly. So to fix this, what I just do is I pull on everything so what I do is I just pull on the ropes to tighten it up and place it where I want it to be. It does take a little bit of adjusting when you're first learning, but once you get the hang of it, you'll kind of know how to place it while you're forming it instead of waiting till after you've already tightened everything up and then having to redo it. So it just takes practice, you know. Practice does make perfect. I know, surprising, right? Just like that. So again, you can see that it makes this cute triangle-like shape. You can kind of tighten it up if you need to. If you still have slack, go ahead and remove that. Just keep working it until it looks how you want it to look. And what's fun about this knot is it can take the place of the standard square knot. So if you want something a little more advanced or different looking in your works, you can use this knot instead of that square knot. So that means we can use alternating triangle knots, which means I'm just going to use a rope from both previous triangles to form a new one. So using these two ropes, I'm going to repeat the same steps. So I take my side on the left, behind, and behind. So I have loop, loop, backwards S, however will help you remember. And then we take our string that hangs straight down, curl it up and over, and then we send it through this bottom loop. And then I'm just going to adjust and pull everything and place it where I want. Just like that. And this is how you make the triangle knot. This knot is pretty similar to the cross knot, if you're familiar with that one. And it's just a fun, different way that you can incorporate knots into your work, especially if you want something a little different than just the standard square knot. This is a great option for that. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.